How to use Photoshop shape in Illustrator as editable vector. So first, open Photoshop. Click on the window. Click on shape. Choose your favorite shape. Now press Ctrl plus C from the keyboard for copy. Then open Adobe Illustrator. Press Ctrl plus V from the keyboard. Click on the fill color. Use the color of your choice. You can see that the Photoshop shape has moved to Illustrator as editable vector. Thanks for watching the video.